It feels like you're surfing. This time balloons without the water. Balloons actually do pop if they touch grass. I washed it off of Bluey so you guys don't grab the balloons. These are bubble pops. Sorry, they're not supposed to break. But one time at my nurse's house, I had a rubber ball and it broke.
Well, Ella's gonna continue to play on the trampoline and she's gonna enjoy playing with some of those, you know, air bubble balls. Now, Bryce went back inside. He was done with his video and he has something being posted shortly on Bryce's version. So make sure you go over there and you'll get to see the full review. And we're gonna continue with our day. Stop!
What should you do now?
Stop! Stand next to each other. Stop! You two have just been arrested.
Oh no.
Jeffrey Murphy, you are now attached to Ella Kate, and you have to continue the entire day handcuffed together.
Uh-oh. How am I supposed to make dinner? Get the smoker ready, get the meat ready, while I'm attached to her?
I don't know. You're gonna have to figure it out.
Alright, Ella, well, we gotta get the smoker ready, so I need to get a rack. No, you're just gonna sit there. Alright, put that on the counter. Put that on the counter.
Is this real hair?
I feel like it. Alright, let's go. We need to get the stuff for the smoker.
They got knives.
Alright, well, we need this.
Welcome for helping you.
Thank you. Al, have you ever touched that animal?
Dad, did I help you play with the smoker? We had to play with the bubble ball. Come on, 10,000. Yeah!
All right, so Dad and Ella are handcuffed together. I said they were arrested for being bad. Now, the reason I'm punishing them is one, Ella has been way too sassy lately, and I told her if she doesn't shape, she was gonna have to end up getting herself into a little bit of hot water, and she was gonna get punished. And Dad, yesterday, he aggravated me pretty bad. I have to tell you, shh. I power washed the entire deck. I did all the laundry in the house and I cleaned up the entire house. And he comes in, he tracks mud through my house after I just swept and mopped. He ended up not taking his laundry to his room. And he was fixing the dog crate yesterday and he left the metal and the saw out all night long on the deck and didn't put it away. So he's being punished too.
Mustard, Dad, that mustard, it smells bad.
That's okay. Mustard has a magical thing that once it's cooked with the right seasoning, it loses all its flavor and we just use it to hold the binding.
I don't even like mustard on my hot dogs. Now until we did that, can we please play with the wobble bubbles?
I guess.
Where is the wobble bubbles anyway? I put them right there.
Hopefully it was out.
I also did put them. It's just stuck on the trampoline. This is their kid.
their kid?
There they are.
I don't think the trampoline's a good idea handcuffed together.
I want. Can you jump? Still on the trampoline, Dad?
No, I'm not gonna jump on the trampoline. Trampoline makes a nice hammock.
But you can have that one. How can we put to play with wobble bubbles? Dad, you say you're their kid.
What is a wubble bubble?
A wobble bubble is something you can play with.
How come yours has a little thing on it?
Bryce broke that one.
Oh. Oh, the wubble bubble.
I think you're doing break the trampoline.
What?
I think you're doing break the trampoline.
Who?
You.
Why?
But that, okay. I did that all by myself.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, when you wanted here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Ooh, I think you're doing pop that. Wait. Ooh, pat a cake. Make her laugh. Make me a cake as fast as you can. You pat it, you roll it, mark it with the E, mark it with the D for me and Daddy.
Hey guys, if you're really liking this video, make sure you give us a big thumbs up to like our video and subscribe.
Alright, Ella. Your mom told me I had to get the lawn mowed today.
Baby, you can do that though later?
No, we have to get it done now before she gets mad.
But
Because then she'll handcuff both hands together then.
Then she will put both hands to that.
No, she'll do this. Okay, Ella, we gotta be extra careful when we do this, okay?
Okay. My mom did it and Mary.
Oh no, we can't get out of the backyard. We can't get out of the backyard. Looks like we can't, we're stuck together.
Yeah, we can do it together. I will open the gate. Okay, open the gate. Come on, baby. Mom does not like grass near her garden, so we have to keep it away from her garden.
Well, Mom handcuffed us together, so...
Well guys, my plan's actually working. I got Jeff mowing the lawn and Ella's helping. And I think he's making up for all the stuff that he didn't finish yesterday. Win! Give me a thumbs up!
Dad, that was so hard. Do you have to do that every week?
Sometimes twice a week, depending on how the weather is.
Dad, can we do two of your things? Can we play Barbies now?
I guess.
Dad, my Barbies are over here.
Okay, get them out.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Great.
Got only 4 Barbies in there today.
Oh yeah?
Why can we do it the easier way? Over around there. Okay. This is Pearl, that's Carissa, this is Barbie, the auntie, and this is Pen, and he the daddy.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
How do we play Barbies?
First we can do anything that don't cut their hair.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, but we can do this and we make their boy for them. Do you want to go on a date?
Okay, I'll go on a date.
Okay.
What do we want to do? Why do you have a mermaid?
That's my little daughter.
Your daughter? Your daughter's a mermaid?
Yeah, I just found her inside the ocean. I decided to take her.
You stole somebody's mermaid daughter?
No, I just found her. She said she was all alone. She didn't have a family yet. She just came out of the pearl.
Oh.
wonder we had to do this?
I'm not the one who did it. Your mom did it.
Dad, we got this in together. We both got a shot of trouble.
I did what I had to do. What didn't you do?
I didn't do nothing.
If I got in trouble for being too sassy.
I didn't. Wait, Dad, what are you eating?
My favorite butterscotch ice cream.
You know that to do! Get this off of me. No, I'm gonna be near you when you're eating ice cream.
Why not?
Cause you got the dairy.
I took my medicine.
Pinky promise.
Nope.
How will we sit together?
Slide down over that way.
Dad, I had to take a bath for school. How will we do this?
I could dip you in the pool.
No.
Hey, Ella, you gotta take a bath before school.
Yeah, me and Dad were talking about it. He said I had to take a dip in the pool.
Well, I'll make a deal with you. I'll let you take the handcuffs off long enough to go to the bathroom and to take a bath. And then when you get back, you need to put them back on when you're done.
Yeah.
Is that a good deal?
Deal. That's a good deal.
All right. Shaking on it. All right, let's see it.
And I am a steak artist.
All right, let's go take your bath.
Wait, do you sell it? Dad, can you help me read these for bed? I'm all done with my
Yes. I will read you the book.
I think it's time to put these back on.
Mom, when is it the end of the day?
When you wake up in the morning.
No! Be sure to like and subscribe for my video. Bye. See you next time. See you later.
Good night.
Good night, everyone.